Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this OPPO device. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same shortcut again. If you don't want to do that, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!